Hello, Tamaraos. Ako po si Lawrence Aiden Cornanan, the incumbent president of the FUIHS and Student Council, an incoming fourth-year medical technology student, and the independent YUKSO presidential candidate na dala at bitbit ang malaya at may tiwalang serbisyo. Under my project initiative, May Tiwala, isa po sa aking proyekto ay ang Pag-asa na Harapin ang Bukas initiative, wherein we first launched this in my home institute, Institute of Health Sciences and Nursing Student Council, where we partner up with Project Pearls. Sa akin pong proyektong ito, nakapagbigay tayo ng tulong sa almost 500 kids, elderly, and parents in Tondo, Manila. And this project is stated as the 7 Sundays Project. So hindi lang po sa IHSN, kung hindi sa lahat ng institute, ay dadalhin natin ang programang ito. Dahil naniniwala po ako na dapat nating pagyabungin at palawakin ang ating mga advokasya.